And good morning, afternoon, good evening, depending from the time zone you are and the time when you are watching this video. My name is Helmuts. I'm the founder of HostMaria.com, and we offer our cloud hosting solutions in partnership with 20i Data Center. And this is a short video for all our users on how you can find the user article database or knowledge base, and there are many names for that. And this is a quick tutorial on where you can find support articles if you stumble upon different questions in regards to the StackCP panel. So when you purchase our cloud hosting, of course, once again, it is provided in partnership with 20i Data Center. You will receive a hosting dashboard that is not called cPanel. So it will be a little bit different, and it is called StackCP. So please remember, it is not cPanel, it is called StackCP. And times by times, you might stumble upon some differences, and you might want to look up different parts of the information. So here we go, how you can do that. So once you log into your stackcp.com, and let me make it smaller. Here we are in. I have prepared I have prepared two accounts. Both accounts are mine. This is a business account, SSD Cloud. You would see up here, you see your package type, and I prepared the other one, WordPress Ultra. They are all the same, except up here you would have some more functionality for WordPress websites. So then all you need to do is just here on the very top is support database. Here you go. And here you will find all the information. So if you would go, you would look mail, bang. You would type in mail, here you go. How to import mail, how to migrate mail, all the other good stuff you can use, the categories and everything else. So it is very simple. So this is how you would access the support article database. Up here, you would click on support article database. Sometimes in some older dashboard layouts, you would find this option under the account. And that is it. This was a very short tutorial on how you will find all the types of different support articles. There are tons and tons of them, and the article database keeps being updated all the time. Just in case, if you struggle, please go to HostMaria.com. And open a support ticket. So you would go to HostMaria.com. You would go to support dashboard. You would log in. You would log into your account. If you have issues logging into the account, please scroll to the bottom. And up here is open support ticket. Yes, click on the open support ticket. And up here, and cloud hosting, you would choose cloud hosting, and now you can open a support ticket. And please open the support tickets rather at HostMaria.com, not StackCP. Tickets at HostMaria support. Support tickets at HostMaria.com are looked the first ones in. We have several ticketing support ticketing systems, and we always attend HostMaria's one, the first one. Thank you, and that's it. And have a great day. Bye.